Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, October 21st, 2022.
It's homecoming week, and our Griffins have been celebrating all week long. Students and staff started the week with our homecoming rally and also wore different themed spirit wear each day to celebrate this year's Homecoming of Heroes theme. Dress-up themes included Pajama Day, Twin Day, Workout Wear, and Super Sunglasses Day. All of the excitement built up over the week will culminate at tonight's football game and tomorrow's homecoming dance. Rossmoor and Hopkinson Elementary School also celebrated Walk and Bike to School Day this week. District administrators and board members joined students, staff, and families as they walked and rolled to school. We couldn't be more thankful for the community members and special guests that joined us as we walked to school, and for the Orange County Sheriffs and California Highway Patrol officers that escorted our families to school safely. This week, our campuses joined together with bright orange shirts to take a stand against bullying during National Unity Day. Unity Day is an annual event that promotes joining together to create healthier communities through kindness, acceptance of differences, and inclusion. We'd like to send a big shout out to our wellness team and student leaders for organizing activities that promoted inclusion, including signing pledges to say boo to bullying. Campuses this week also participated in the Great California Shakeout. At 10:20 a.m. on Thursday, students and staff joined millions across the state to practice earthquake safety. The Great California Shakeout is an annual opportunity for our students and staff to practice how to be safe during big earthquakes by remembering to drop, cover, and hold on. Thursday also marked Lights On After School Day, which is celebrated nationally to show support for our after-school programs. Our extended daycare center and Kids Corner programs are amazing and keep our students safe. They inspire them to learn and give our working parents peace of mind that their children are safe and supervised after the school day ends. And finally, we end this week featuring a special after-school field trip. One of the many things that is very special about Los Al USD is the way our community always goes out of their way to give back to our students. This week, McAuliffe Pickleball Club members headed to the Seal Beach Tennis and Pickleball Center for some personal training from local coaches and pickleball pros. This training session was made possible by the partnership between the City of Seal Beach, courtesy of Seal Beach Mayor Pro Tem Mike Veripapa, and the Seal Beach Pickleball Association. We can't wait to see these talented students back on the courts. That's the wrap-up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.
And that's the wrap-up.